Wala ka nang ginawa, nag-procrastinate ka, natatamad-tamad ka, tapos sasabihin mo self-care? Alam nyo, napakaganda ng pag-uusapan natin, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in the world or wherever you are in the Philippines, ito may be yung makakatulong sa'yo para magkaroon ng pagbabago sa iyong 2025. I'd like to share with you here as early as now is the word clarity. Hindi siya pwedeng clarity lamang, ibabangga mo yan doon sa second word, which is what I call intention. If you're gonna ask me, ladies and gentlemen, bakit importante yung clarity? Because maybe the reason why sometimes walang masyadong nangyari sa iyong buhay noong 2024 kasi hindi ka naging klaro ano nga ba yung gusto mong patunguhan. You just went with the flow. Nakiride ka lang. Because the truth is, merong nakalaan na purpose at destiny at path na nakalaan para sa'yo. Pero maybe kaya hindi ka nakakapunta doon, lagi ka na lang nakikiride sa destiny at path ng ibang tao. Does that make sense? And maybe, yan din mismo, no? Yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo na maybe for the longest time, we've been taking things for granted and that is why we're not clear and that's why maybe hindi natin nagawa yung kailangan natin mangyari for 2025. Ano yung intention, ladies and gentlemen? To know what you're supposed to be doing every single day. And simple man or madali mang pakinggan, pero let's be honest, how many of you here, alam mo naman yung dapat gawin pero hindi mo ginagawa? Anong kalaban nitong clarity and intention? If you're gonna ask me, your main enemy, which is what I call distraction. The reason why your life isn't working, or maybe your 2025 will not work, or maybe the reason why your 2024 did not work is because you got distracted. Ang dami mo kasing trip. Buti sana kung yung trip na yan nakakatulong. Most of the time, it might give you false pleasure rather than actual fulfillment. It's bringing more damage. It's bringing more harm than achieving result. Are you guys with me? Wala ka nang ginawa, nag-procrastinate ka, natatamad-tamad ka, tapos sasabihin mo self-care? May mga friends kayong ganyan, may mga family members kayong ganyan, na parang wala ka namang ginawa, pagod na pagod ka? Nagbibisi-bisihan, no? Kunyari kung ano na pinagagawa, pero kapag tinignan mo yung ginagawa, ang nakasulat, ang nakalagay lang naman, Facebook, Messenger, TikTok. Mas marami pa doon personal na chismis or kung ano-ano, rather than actually doing things, yes or no? Ito yung mga kunwari busy. But ladies and gentlemen, these are all forms of distraction. And maybe that's the reason why it's not working.